And Yahuwah said to Abram, Go yourself out of your land, from your relatives and from your father's house, to a land which I show you. And I shall make you a great nation, and barak you, and make your name great, and you shall be a barakah. And I shall barak those who barak you, and curse him who curses you. And in you all the clans of the earth shall be Baruch. So Abram left, as Yahuwah had commanded him, and Lut went with him. And Abram was 75 years old when he set out from Haran. And Abram took Shary his wife and Lut his brother's son, and all their possessions that they had gathered, and the beings whom they had acquired in Haran, and they set out for the land of Canaan. And they came to the land of Canaan. And Abram passed through the land to the place of Shechem, as far as the terebinth tree of Moreh. At that time the Canaanites were in the land. And Yahuwah appeared to Abram and said, To your seed I give this land. And he built there a slaughter place to Yahuwah, who had appeared to him. And from there he moved to the mountain east of Bayit-al, and he pitched his tent, with Bayit-al on the west and Hai on the east. And he built there a slaughter place to Yahuwah and called on the name of Yahuwah. And Abram set out, continuing toward the south. And a scarcity of food came to be in the land, and Abram went down to Matsarym to dwell there, for the scarcity of food was severe in the land. And it came to be, when he was close to entering Matsarym, that he said to Shary his wife, See, I know that you are a fair woman to look at. And it shall be, when the Matsarym see you, that they shall say, This is his wife, and they shall kill me, but let you live. Please say you are my sister, so that it shall be well with me for your sake, and my life be spared because of you. And it came to be, when Abram came into Matsarym, that the Matsarym saw the woman, that she was very fair. And Pharaoh's officials saw her and praised her before Pharaoh. And the woman was taken to Pharaoh's house. And he treated Abram well for her sake, and he had sheep and cattle, and male donkeys, and male and female servants, and female donkeys, and camels. But Yahuwah plagued Pharaoh and his house with great plagues because of Shary, Abram's wife. And Pharaoh called Abram and said, What is this you have done to me? Why did you not inform me that she was your wife? Why did you say, She is my sister, and so I was going to take her for my wife? Look, here is your wife, take her and go. And Pharaoh commanded his men concerning him, and they sent him away, with his wife and all that he had.